Hi! My name is Marv, and ako ang inyong magiging trainer. In this video, you will learn about product variations. Para saan ba ang product variations? Kung meron kayong products, isang products na maraming klase ng variations tulad ng kulay, iba't ibang sizes, pwede nyo siyang gawin dito. So in order for us to start, from the seller dashboard, punta tayo sa products, add products. After that, punta tayo sa isang product na lalagyan natin ng variations, and then select the variations tab. So here, you can click the add variations, write and select the variations of your product, and click save. So in this example, there are color family, flower count, and variety of flower. You can indicate, you can add other variations if meron sa inyong product. Then, if you want to combine products into a variation group, simply go to the tab, use existing products, and tick products that are applicable that have the same features but have different variations. Say for example, you have a t-shirt na may iba't ibang kulay. Pwede nyo siyang gawin dito and just click add variations and save. And that is how you do product variations.